Alright, man, we're gonna go to the haunted house right now, the factory and shit. How do y'all feel, man?
Scared? Tired?
You got tired and shit?
I want one of them McGriddles, man. Y'all better have it.
You know, what's up with you, man? We scared or what?
Scared as fuck, let's go.
We scared as
My nuts
fuck.
are sweaty, let's go.
My nuts are sweaty.
We're just gonna enter the,
That was no food.
it's fucking scary as fuck. Look if you can get up over there,
Hell no.
on the roof. We can do that shit at night. This is the entrance.
Crack you down, man.
This is the entrance of the house. See, nigga, look. See, nigga, look. Right here, look. It's fucking,
We in here.
yeah. Hey, wait. Hey, if we come on, fun. Hey, fool, put the light over there, fool. Come on, nigga, let's go in there. Come on, nigga. Come on, Marcos. Hey, fool. Hey, who? No, there's no. Oh, yeah.
You go for it. Your country for it.
Come on, nigga, cause my light doesn't work. Yeah, but it's not that fucking. Hey, nigga, fucking. Damn. Look at it. I think this was like the fucking, like the fucking, like the office right here, huh? Let me see, fool. We're just filming here, man. Doing that thing.
Look at the paper. There's paper right here.
Damn, look at it. Damn.
Fucking sign in sheet and shit.
Sign that shit, man. Whoever died here, died. You know, this is the motherfucking. Damn, look at. I'm telling you, fool, it looks like somebody just fucking got their shit, just left, fool. And niggas are scared or what?
Tank.
It is kind of scary, huh?
But don't say
Fuck. Go, nigga. I'll lead it, fool, if y'all want.
my hand. What about that one? Check out all the rooms and everything.
Anybody in here? Hey, fool, be away from here, fool.
Yeah, I do.
I think this is a restroom right here. Damn, these shit next to each other. Damn, you can't see shit, man. Well, yeah, what's your step, man?
You went all the way in here?
Let's go in there. I never been in here, son.
Make it just a fucking little line. Fucking crazy up there, man.
Yeah?
That shit old as hell. Like, how old is this shit?
A lot. Is that shit? Oh, there's pancakes out there. Huh? Whoa. I think this was the fucking slaughterhouse in there.
That's all.
Look at that shit, that piece looks tight, huh? That gold one.
Nothing. Two. There you go.
Yeah, I think it does open.
You open that?
It does.
Gotta pick it up a little bit. It's now.
What is this, an emergency? What is it? Oh, the... Mira, wait, mira. It's a whole upstairs and shit. Check it out. Whoa, let me see that. Para que mire la cámara. Whoa. Wait, no, that is... I'm shaking like nigga. I don't know. There's light? Oh, probably, oh, you know why? Because, you know, nos metimos. Come on, fool, let's go in there. Come on, fool, y'all niggas are scared? Watch your step. Damn, look at it. Try to open it. Try to open that shit. And nigga, it's blurry. Like now, like when I get close to you, it's blurry and then it'll go back.